Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we explore relationships, personal growth, and the moments that connect us. Today, we're talking about a unique and special bond, the relationship between younger women and older women. Ever wondered what younger women love hearing from older women? You might be surprised. We're diving into 6 impactful things older women can say to inspire, support, and connect with younger women. Let's get started. 1. You don't have to have it all figured out right now. Life in your 20s or 30s can feel like a whirlwind of expectations, career, relationships, personal growth. But here's the thing, life doesn't come with a deadline. One of the most empowering messages older women can share is that it's okay not to have it all figured out. It's a reminder that finding your path takes time and that the journey is just as important as the destination. These words can be a huge weight off a younger woman's shoulders. 2. You're stronger than you think. We all face moments of doubt, times when we question our abilities or feel overwhelmed. That's where the wisdom of an older woman can truly shine. When someone with years of life experience tells you that you're stronger than you realize, it's not just encouragement. It's a reminder that they've been there too and see potential you might not see in yourself yet. Strength isn't just about physical endurance. It's about resilience, perseverance, and knowing you can face life's challenges head on. 3. It's okay to set boundaries. One of the hardest lessons to learn, especially for younger women, is the importance of boundaries. Whether it's in relationships, at work, or even with family, saying no can feel intimidating. Older women, who've learned this lesson through their own experiences, can reassure younger women that prioritizing their well-being is not selfish, it's necessary. When they hear this, it empowers them to stand up for themselves and build healthier connections with others. 4. You're beautiful, just the way you are. In a world that constantly tells us we're not enough, whether it's about how we look or how we act, hearing a genuine compliment from an older woman can be life-changing. When they say, "You're beautiful, just the way you are," it's not about meeting societal standards. It's about recognizing inner beauty, kindness, confidence, and authenticity. This kind of affirmation can help younger women embrace their uniqueness and let go of the pressure to conform. 5. Take risks, even if they scare you. Older women often have one crucial perspective. Life is too short to live in fear. They know that some of the most rewarding experiences come from stepping out of your comfort zone. Whether it's pursuing a new career, traveling solo, or starting a passion project, hearing an older woman say, "Go for it," can be all the encouragement a younger woman needs to take that leap. After all, what's the worst that can happen? Growth always comes from challenges. 6. Your voice and ideas matter. Everyone wants to feel heard, and younger women are no exception. In a world that can sometimes dismiss their ideas as inexperienced, having an older woman validate their thoughts is empowering. When an older woman says, "Your voice and ideas matter," it's not just flattery, it's a statement of belief. It encourages younger women to speak up, share their thoughts, and trust that they can make a difference in any space they occupy. I've heard so many stories about these moments of connection, like the time a mentor told her in turn, "You remind me of myself at your age," and it gave her the confidence to ace her next big project. Or when a grandmother said, "You've got what it takes," and it inspired her granddaughter to start her own business. These aren't just words, they're gifts. They stick with you and shape how you see yourself and your potential. So, there you have it, 6 things younger women love to hear from older women. Whether you're the one giving or receiving these messages, remember that these words hold power. They can inspire confidence, foster connection, and create a ripple effect of positivity. If you've had an older woman say something that stuck with you, share in the comments below. And if you're an older woman watching this, think about what words you could share to lift someone up today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. See you in the next video.